guys, today is day one of our plastic-free challenge and we're going to kick it off at the Aroma Shop in Pervez with deodorant. So most deodorant comes in plastic containers, but the reason why I chose deodorant was because of the ingredients. So most ingredients in deodorants contain harmful chemicals, and you're putting these chemicals underneath your armpit where they're gaining access to your lymphatic system and getting into your system and causing damage. Now, you can choose whatever 10 products you would like over the next 10 days, but I would encourage you to choose 10 different products that you use on a daily basis, whether it be soap, deodorant, body wash, shampoo, and look at the ingredients that are in each of these items. Do some research on them. Do they have any side effects? And if you are any doubt whatsoever, please contact me and I'll be happy to advise you. So looking at the ingredients is one thing, but most deodorants of course come in a plastic container. As you can see, that's how we used to put our ingredients, our deodorant in. It was in plastic, a roll-on. We've now graduated and we put our deodorants now into a tin pan. So a much better solution. And so that's one idea that you can have. I also have a number of recipes in my book, The Baby Boomers Beauty Bible. And included here is a recipe from the Baby Boomers Beauty Bible called Wild Woman Deodorant, which you can make yourself and put into a glass bottle or a tin container. And with the plastic, of course the spray is plastic, but it's better than nothing. And this is my gift to you today, to be able to make your own natural deodorant that is plastic free. So look forward to tomorrow for day 2 and have a great day wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.